Good afternoon, everyone. We are leaving the Smith job. Crane is getting set back for departure. We just set these giant 4 by 14 by 18 foot beams, by 900 pounds apiece, on 8 by 8 notched post. Next, we're going to be setting our 4 by 6s, our joist, then our Ferrari brand shade sail will be stretched in on our eyelets on this side, and then turnbuckled on this side to direct the water to where we want it to go. Non-pervious. Water will not pass through this shade sail. Custom made out of California with a 3/16 stainless steel cable going through it. Heavy duty stuff. You know, do it one time, do it right. That's how we do it at Florida Coastal. Y'all have a blessed day, and thank you God for getting us through this one. See ya.